Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, rear-view camera, driver attention alert system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.